This is not a normal lightning strike. A Diya-Hena carries an unimaginable power of 5 to 10 million watts. It's like a small atomic bomb exploding on impact. To crush 100 cubes of granite into powder requires massive amounts of dynamite. That is the exact bomb-like force hitting these mountains, pulverizing the rock instantly. Normally, light comes first, then sound. But here, the massive water payload travels faster than the speed of sound. The impact happens before you hear the thunder.
This destruction began 93 million miles away. Massive solar flares entered our atmosphere, creating the initial trigger.
With these flares, the ocean waters heated up. This extreme heat created a massive atmospheric depression.
Actually, 3 vortices were active. One hit us directly, while the other 2 at sea sucked up the water needed for this convection process. These vortices gathered all surrounding clouds, twisting them together to create a massive reservoir right in the sky. As it descends, a massive sound like a jet engine is heard. A vacuum is created.
The ancients called this Diya-Hena, or water lightning.
The water from 5 to 10 clouds is released at once, hitting the mountain peak like a massive water bomb. Just like cutting steel with water pressure,
This Diya-Hena uses massive pressure to slice through solid granite upon impact.
look at the Kotmale incident. The reservoir water level was completely normal. In less than 10 minutes, it filled up. It wasn't rain, but the Diya-Hena striking the reservoir directly. They had to open gates before even sounding the siren. That water rushed over Gampola and Kandi, destroying bridges and buildings.
Even satellite signals were lost, not due to batteries, but the magnetic power of the vortices blocking the signals.
People couldn't make a call. They were buried under earth with their phones still in their hands. This is a natural cycle happening every 400 to 500 years. It happened in Sinharaja in 2003. Scientists refer to this rare phenomenon as a freshwater tsunami. Even deep forests like Knuckles and Matale, with no human activity, suffered landslides.
Evidence from these deep forests proves it was purely a natural attack.
But human error plays a part. Stair-step cutting destabilizes the soil. Once the massive water pressure hits, the unstable mountain slides down just like dominoes.
If a water lightning hits a massive dam in China,
The flood wave could wipe out nations from India to Pakistan.
With solar activity, ice will melt and water will be scarce. We could face a dinosaur-level extinction event.
we can't stop it, but we can reduce damage with proper construction and reforestation. We must understand this scientifically.